The language we use at Cairns Coaching is often around these three pillars here: health, well-being, and wellness. When we're talking about health, we're talking about the multidimensional health, what you might hear as being holistic health. When we're talking about well-being, we're talking about our happiness, our sense of satisfaction and fulfillment, both in our personal and professional lives. And we're also talking about resilience, which we reframe as resourcefulness. And Suzanne will touch on that a bit later on. When we talk about wellness, wellness is all the steps that individuals take to improve their health and their well-being. And we work towards creating a thriving workplace, which is a workplace where people take those proactive steps.
So our philosophy is that workplace wellness is everyone's responsibility. And I certainly know from my clinic ownership and leadership, we use a number of tools to highlight this. We make our team aware of everybody's zone of genius and their key motivators and so much more, so that we develop not only self-awareness, but that awareness of other people. And this is a really key outcome of coaching. So it's really important for us to point out what we actually can and can't control. And as a leader, I have burnt out before from trying to keep everybody happy. And the thing is, if employees aren't happy in their own lives, then they're not going to be happy coming into work. And so with coaching, we want to provide them with the tools to do that. I understand the pressures that come with HR laws, the right to disconnect, the pressures of managing Gen Z, and all the other things that we keep getting slammed with. And so the purpose of coaching is to empower people to take action on what they themselves can control. So they're not actually holding you responsible for every little bit of their personal happiness and well-being.